So over here you can see that I have this new file right here, and let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and bring in a shape right here. So I'm going to go around onto shape from the left side and bring in a shape of a house right here. So you can see that I have a house. If I want to go around and copy and paste this, then what I need to do is right click over here and copy right here, and then I'm going to go around and choose paste. And then apart from the original position, you can see that it pastes out that content right there. Similarly, I can go around and paste right here and it pastes it out right there. Similarly, you go paste and paste and paste right here. Then apart from the original position right here, by going around a few inches, you can see that it pastes out the content. But let's say I want to place out the house right here in the same exact position, and in that case I can utilize paste in place. So I'm just going to go around and copy and then right click and click on paste in place, and what it does is it pastes out the content in the exact same spot. So if I were to go around and choose paste in place, then it pastes it out in the exact same position as you can see right there. And that is how you can utilize paste in place inside a Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.